Hi, Justin Labato here inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here today with Jay Bentley from Gtechniq Marine. And one of the products we want to go over from the Gtechniq Marine line is the Interior Cleaner AB. Now, the great thing about this product, it has 3 different benefits in one product. And of course, Jay, what are those 3 different benefits?
Cleaning, odor absorption, dirt repellency.
Wow.
So it's a really good, strong degreaser and cleaner for your interior. It has the anti-bacterial properties to absorb and get rid of odor.
Hence the AB.
Hence the AB. And the third property is that because of the antibacterial properties in there that it kind of leaves behind as you're wiping the material down, it helps prevent your mold and mildew regeneration, some of the pinking that we see in the boating world on the vinyl. And it also helps from a cleaning perspective in regards to a lot of the organic materials that are out there, from spider droppings, bird droppings. It makes it a lot easier to clean all of that off.
So it also, with leaving a light barrier protection behind, it does help reduce some of that possible staining.
Does help
from
with
those
that.
types of things?
Yeah, and that's the joy of the antibacterial additive here, along with the UV protection that we have in all of our marine products. So
Gotcha.
you have a multiple benefit aspect of the product here.
So in regards to, going into the interior of a boat or anything marine, this is a great product for being able to hit all 3 levels at one time. A great all-in-one almost for your interior.
Right. Yeah, it's a good way to put it. So your vinyl at your captain's at the helm station works great on that. And then for those with cabin boats, that some cabin boats don't get used as much as they need to, or they're not air conditioned, they don't have ventilation. So you'll have a musty type odor as you get into that boat. Clean the interior sections of your cabins with this, and it knocks that musty smell down and helps bring it, or prevents bringing it back.
Sounds like this would be a great maintenance product too. So after you get done using the boat, you're able to just do a quick wipe down, and it will get rid of anybody and everybody who's been in and out of the boat as well, all the funk they've left behind.
Yeah, that's a good way to put it. So or dog hairs or dog odors of people, the dogs that are swimming in the salt water.
This
and all
is
that.
true, yeah.
A lot of people take their dogs on the boat, so it's good to knock down that musty smell that you find from a lot of traffic, with the dogs and whatever. But this is, spray it on the vinyl, spray it on the fabric or whatever, countertops, anything like that, and then wipe it off with a microfiber and you're good to go.
I think with the marine world, there's a lot of odors that are in that world that come from the whether it be the salt or a lake or whatever the case may be.
Right.
But having a product that is able to identify with that and knock that down is huge, I'm sure.
It makes a ton of difference. Yeah, it's an immediate reaction when you spray it in there, because it does tamp down the odors big time immediately. When you really agitate into the vinyl or the fabrics with the microfiber, it really does a deep dive into that to kill out all the bacteria that's in there.
Awesome.
It's a great product.
Awesome. Well, there you have it. That is the rundown on the Gtechniq Marine Interior Cleaner AB. For more information about Gtechniq Marine, visit autogeek.com.